Hello and welcome to another episode of Travel Chef. And today we are in God's own country, Kerala, and we're going to cook up some delicacies of the Kerala cuisine. And one such delicacy is mango pachadi. So this is made with grated mangoes and with coconut milk, with a little green chilies. So this is like the same food or same dish that we get in North India, like a raita, but this is a little more spicy, and it can be added with rice. Also, this can be added with cutlets, meat cutlets too. It's a pretty tasty dish, and we'll show you how to make it. And I would like to wish all my viewers a very happy and prosperous New Year 2021. I'm sure 2020 must be a little problematic year for most of us, including me. But we are fortunate that nothing has happened to us. We have remained safe and sound over 2020. And now let's look forward to 2021. So Happy New Year once again, and thank you very much for supporting us through the last year. And we hope to receive your continued support for this year too. So let's explore the world together. Let's enjoy very good food and bring out new recipes and try new recipes. So please continue to watch our video. Make a mango pachadi. We have got two medium-sized mangoes that we have grated over, 2 onions that we have chopped finely. Third ingredient is chili. We have taken 3 numbers. So now this chili is grown over here in this region, and it is very spicy, but also it gives the taste for the pachadi. And here is a coconut milk. This is the first milk that we have managed to extract from grated coconut. This is 3 cups of coconut milk. That is around 600 ml of it. This is salt for tasting. We have got all these ingredients together, and all it is done is by mixing all these ingredients we will get a mango pachadi, which is a simple dish. Now we add the first ingredient, the mangoes that we have grated. The second ingredient is onions that we have chopped. Ingredient we add is the spicy chilies that we have chopped, and last we add 1 teaspoon of salt for taste. The next step is to thoroughly mix these ingredients with, actually we can use a spoon, or preferably we can use a hand too. So now we mix all these ingredients together. Final ingredient is coconut milk. Seasoning, we have added 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, which we smear it into the dish. Now we mix all these ingredients together. Now a mango pachadi is ready to be served, and this can be had with rice, especially rice. It gives a very good taste. Do try out our recipe. Also, since the taste of salt was less, we have added 1 more teaspoon of salt. Please add salt judiciously, because we just don't want a pachadi to be too salty too. So this is a mango pachadi, and it is yummy and tasty and is ready to be served. Well, we hope you liked watching our video how to make mango pachadi, and we hope you can try this at home. And please also share your comments if you have tried it and it's really useful, and if you found it really quick and useful too. Please don't forget to share this video with your friends, as well as support us by subscribing to our channel. Well, until the next video, take care, stay safe, and see you soon. Happy New Year once again. Bye-bye.